Ever wonder why most people struggle to keep their investment portfolio balanced even when they know exactly what they want to own? I used to spend hours every month manually calculating how many shares of this ETF or that stock I needed to buy just to keep my targets in line, and honestly, it felt like a second job. But entering 2026, the strategy has shifted from manual micromanagement to high-level automation. One of the biggest game changers I've found lately is leaning into M1's dynamic rebalancing. Instead of selling winners and triggering taxable events, which is a huge mistake I see people make, I let my new deposits do the work. When I put money in, M1 automatically funnels that cash into my underweight slices first. This keeps my risk profile exactly where I want it without me having to lift a finger or pay a capital gains tax bill just to stay diversified. Speaking of cash, the high-yield cash account is where I'm stashing my opportunity fund this year. With rates sitting around 3.10% to 4.00% APY depending on your status and current promos, it's a massive upgrade from a standard savings account. I've set up smart transfers so that anytime my cash balance exceeds a specific threshold, the excess is automatically swept into my investment pies. It ensures my money is never sitting idle, it's either earning high interest or buying more of my favorite assets. Another pro tip for 2026, don't sleep on the owner's rewards card. I've integrated this into my daily spending because it gives you up to 10% cash back when you spend at companies you actually own in your portfolio. I've literally set mine to auto-invest those rewards back into my pies. It creates this incredible loop where my morning coffee or my tech subscriptions are actually buying me more shares of those companies. Lastly, if you're looking for stability, check out the concentration analysis tool they recently rolled out. I used it to realize I was way too heavy in tech because of how much Microsoft and Apple had grown. I adjusted my target percentages, and now my automated deposits are slowly building up my healthcare and utility slices to level things out. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.